Hey guys, welcome back to Tim's Electronics Lab, and welcome back to another post bag video. So I've got a total of 5 post bags to open, and let's start with the first one. It says circuit board. So yeah, let's check it out. I've got a different knife than usual because I can't find the other one, so yeah. Let me unwrap it. Oh, this is the gas sensor. I ordered a CO2 sensor for my room in order to be able to monitor the CO2 levels. And this is it. I can't get it open. Like that. So it's a gas-based sensor, I believe. It's the CMCU. Let me focus on that. There you go. CMCU. And yeah, I'm planning to connect it to an ESP 8266 or 32. I'm not sure which one I should use. I think I'll go for the 32 because it won't be the only thing that's connected to it. So yeah, more on that very soon. Nice header included as well. So nice one. And the next one, it says screw pad with the value of 99 US dollar cents. So now I know that that is not correct, but let's open it. I must say this knife is damn sharp. I haven't used it because I thought it was not that good, but it's damn sharp. It's sharper than my previous knife. So I hope that this hasn't been bent. Oh, it's bendable. So it's the woe pad screw pad, and is there and that is a magnetic screw holder. So I think we should grab some screws, or maybe headers will do as well. Oh yeah, headers will do as well. Now the idea of this thing is that it will hold, and oh, that's working. That's working really well. So I think there are in every rectangle there is a magnet. So you can put a screw in every rectangle, and that's really useful. So you won't lose screws, or screws won't move around. That's the trouble, or that's the problem I'm having all the time right now. That my screws are moving around way too fast, and I lose track of which one is which. So that's a nice one. Really like it. Alright, up to the next one. This one says module ×2 and has a value of $1.13. I don't know exactly which one this is, but we're going to find out really soon. Nicely wrapped. And pack that. Oh, these are the DHT22 temperature and humidity sensors. I'm planning to use these as well in my room and maybe outside to measure temperature and humidity, of course. So they're breadboard friendly. They're mounted on a PCB that provides I think a more stable voltage line. The resistor ensures that there's no data loss or data issues when transferring the data, so that's a good one. I've got 2 of them, and I think you'll find a video on my channel really soon about them. So yeah, keep updated. Now the big one, well, the big one, it's not the biggest one. It says socket and remote switch module. Now I do think that I know what this is, and it's going to be something very exciting, namely Sonoffs. I've ordered Sonoff, and I know that this is inside. It's an ESP8266, and yeah, it's supposed to work with some Chinese brand, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTT, and Nest, not with Apple Home. I'm surprised about that. But some screws, I think, to be able to mount it. There you go. So the maximum load is 10 amperes. And I must say, despite the videos I've seen about it, it feels really solid and not cheap at all. So let's check the Sonoff basic switch. Yeah, it's all Chinese. There's an English version as well. That's nice. Alright, so now you're wondering what I'm going to do with this one. And for now, I'm going to check if we can take it apart. Because, whoa, that was way too easy. I must say that. That was way too damn easy. Yeah. This is an ESP8266. And what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to reflash the firmware so that it will be able to communicate with my MQTT broker, and I will be able to control it, not some kind of Chinese manufacturer. So that is what I'm planning to do with it. But this case definitely came loose and came apart way too easy. That might be because there aren't any screws inside it, or inside here. But yeah, look, I'm barely putting any force on it. No, that's not good. That's not good. That's not supposed to. Yeah, when this is on, it will prevent the thing from. Actually, I'm going to test it, because otherwise it's a bad design product. That's a good time to start testing these ones as well. Come on, last screw. The last one is not the hardest one to take out. So, let's grab my screwdriver. And we are going to... wait, first check this. Yeah. This is nice. This is really nice. Alright, so screw. Alright, I think that's reasonably enough. But I am going to touch up the solder at the bottom of the PCB, because that's, yeah, a little dried out here and there. So yeah, what do you expect when you order something of this this price? No, let me check. No, this isn't coming off at all. Also, these sides are yeah, this is when you screw it in, it's good, but when you lose the screws, the whole device is going to yeah, to come apart. So that's the Sonoff Basic, I think it's called. Yeah, Sonoff Basic. Remove this warranty ID. Oh, wow. Think you got any warranty on this? Alright, that's nice, I think. I'll put this back in there as well. So that is one. Now there's another one over here. This one is a little bigger, and this one is a socketed Sonoff. so you can turn on and off. Lol, they've put the power button the wrong way around. So that's an immediate teardown. Put my mat back on here. Now there are screw holes on my blue mat, but I don't like them because they're very hard to take the screws back out. Yeah, I know I've got pliers, but hey, I'm lazy. So let's take this one apart and see what's inside it. The max load is again 10 amperes, so I do expect a bit of the same to be inside here as well. I must say these screws are reasonably tight, so that's a good sign. Yeah, I do think that's a little bit better. Yeah, that's from what it looks right now. It's way better. The PCB is secured with 2 screws. So let's remove them. My guess is that there will be an ESP32 in here as well. So I've got 2 live cables. Don't know why, but they've got one that's connected to here, and one to here, but they're the same. Oh no, that's the switching one. Of course, stupid me. It needs to be able to switch it, of course, and for that it needs power, obviously. Maybe I can pull it out by lifting this one over here. Ooh. So this is loose. That doesn't really matter. Ah, there you go, that's 1. That's 2. There you go. So again, ESP8266, as you can see right here. And they provided some headers as well, but they didn't tell what pins they are. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to reflash this one as well, and the solder looks a little bit better, but I think I'll be touching this up as well too. So yeah, but overall I'm reasonably pleased with them. They're looking reasonably well. You know, they're cheap things, but hey, they did pass through the earthing, so I guess that's good. Nice button. A Vanhar relay. Oh, that wire is a little thin, but the mains wiring is very thick, so that's good. Yeah, it's an EU version. So yeah, oh, not that bad actually. Not that bad. So let's put it back in. Screw the PCB back in. Now I'm trying to make my home a little smarter step by step, and that is going to take a while. But eventually I will have a semi-smart home. There are a couple of things I don't want to make smart. For example, the yeah, you know, the TV or the toilet, for example. Well, we have to kind of got some kind of smart TV, but it's a little dumb smart TV. You know, there are apps on it, and mostly all the apps have been removed and are not working anymore. So I've turned around the power button, and this looks way better. Big fail, but hey. Put around the cover. Oh, they've even got hole covers for them. That's nice. That's a nice addition. So that should work. Now let me put it back. And I'm going to test this one out, because the other one required wires to be able to be inserted, and this one doesn't. So I might actually, you know, put this one in front of my 3D printer, that I can monitor it and that I can turn it on and off remotely or semi-remotely. So that's a nice one. Alright, so let me grab some mains wiring. Now it should be long enough. And yeah, there you go. So remove this one. This isn't a smart meter, this is you know, the same thing that is in the wiring closet. You know, where the electrical connection is. Not to fuse the breaker, this is a breaker. So let's insert it and hope it doesn't explode. It's blinking. It's on, I think. If the thing is on, something should start blowing very loud, so that is working. That's working too. That is really nice. So that succeeded. Now put this back in the place it belongs to. And the final one, it says coupler. So I'm very curious about this one, because I've got one right now, but the ends have broken off of it, and yeah, I needed a new one. So I've ordered one, and there it is. Oh, it immediately got to life. It's solar powered. There is no battery inside here. Carbon fiber composite digital caliper. Well, I don't really believe that, but it might be strong. Faces should be gently cleaned with alcoholic cleaners. Never use other organic solutions, and never clean the caliper by immersing it in a liquid. No, of course not. I won't do that. Immersing it in alcohol, is that allowed? That is no carbon fiber, my brother. That's pure plastic. But hey, what else do you expect when you order something from it? The buttons are... Oh, the buttons are okay. It's not completely painted, and there are a few spots and things here and there, but hey. Come on, man. Let me see if I can keep it alive with my lamp. Yeah, 0. That's good. Well, it's okay. Oh no, that's not 0. This is 0. It's okay. The refresh rate isn't exactly that high, but it's fine. Let me see and check what this diameter is. Yeah, I think this was listed as 7 millimeters or 7.5 millimeters. Not sure, but hey, yeah. I don't have the tools for a proper accuracy test, so I'll take it granted. So this was the mailbag. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to make a few videos on the items I've received. There are loads of more items coming up, and I'll be making videos about that as well. So again, thanks for watching. If you think you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. If you want to see more home automation and smart homing, feel free to let me know. I am going to say that I've recently started working again on the energy meter reader, and I must say that it is working. So hope to upload that video really soon. See you later, bye.